Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Patch Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any cyclist, transforming a frustrating flat tire into a manageable inconvenience. This video will dive into the top patch kits available, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value, helping you choose the perfect kit to keep you rolling smoothly on your next adventure, no matter where your ride takes you. Number 5. Slime 1022, a tube patch kit. Don't let a flat tire ruin your day. This kit has everything you need for quick and easy repairs, so you can get back on the go. It's perfect for bicycles, but also great for lawnmowers, wheelbarrows, and other inflatables. Keep it handy wherever you need it. This 7-piece kit includes patches in various sizes, a scuffer to prep the surface, and a tube of rubber cement. Everything is included for a professional-looking repair. It's simple to use, even if you've never patched a tire before. Full instructions are included, making the repair process straightforward. You'll find one 2-inch patch, two 1-inch patches, and two 1.25-inch patches to handle any size puncture. It's got you covered. Slime is known for its quality and reliability in flat tire prevention and repair. Trust it to get you back on the road quickly and easily. What we like. It includes all the essentials for patching, patches, a scuffer, and glue. If you need a complete kit with everything you need for basic repairs, this is a great option. It's perfect for occasional use on bikes and other inflatables. What people say. After trying other brands that I got locally from places in my community and having them fail to perform as expected, I decided to try this brand. Since using slime patches, I have not had any problems. Patching a hole is relatively easy, but the correct procedure must be followed. Most importantly, the area around the hole needs to be thoroughly scuffed to remove the smooth shiny surface. When done correctly, the area should have a dull flat appearance. The glue reacts with the rubber and softens it as part of the vulcanizing process when the patch is applied. It is better to have this area slightly bigger than the size of the patch, otherwise the edges of the patch may not bond properly and begin to peel back when the tube is inflated. Number 4. Park Tools Super Patch Kit. This kit is your new best friend for on-the-go repairs. It's waterproof and includes everything you need to get back on the trail quickly. It comes with 6 durable, self-adhesive patches, so you're prepared for multiple punctures. No need for messy glues or extra tools. The adhesive on these patches was developed in conjunction with 3M, ensuring a strong and reliable seal every time. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or saddlebag, so you can take it anywhere. Its lightweight design won't weigh you down. The kit is housed in a waterproof container, protecting the patches from moisture and keeping them ready for use, no matter the weather. This handy kit, model number QKGP02C, includes 6 patches and sandpaper in a convenient carrying case. Always be prepared for flat tires. What we like. This kit boasts 6 self-adhesive patches and uses high-quality 3M glue. If you value convenience and a compact design for on-the-go repairs, this is the one for you. Its small size makes it ideal for carrying in your bike bag or backpack. What people say. It worked flawlessly. It was easy to use and I was able to finish the ride without any issues. The patch is still holding several rides later. 3 of the 4 patches adhered so well it's difficult to spot the location by sight or touch. Definitely a very quick handy repair patch for roadside, considering in seconds I had 4 patches finished and rubbed firmly into place. Number 3. Maifede Bike Repair Kit. This kit is your ultimate solution for quick and easy bicycle tire repairs. It's perfect for cyclists who want to be prepared for any flat tire emergency. It comes with 3 sizes of patches to handle punctures big or small, whether it's from a nail or broken glass. You'll be able to repair any hole effectively. This kit uses vulcanizing patches for a surprisingly strong, permanent repair. With the right technique, it will fuse seamlessly with your inner tube. First, clean the puncture area with the sandpaper. Then, apply the vulcanizing fluid, ensuring it covers a larger area than the patch. After a couple of minutes, apply the patch, press firmly, and let it dry completely. You get 24 vulcanizing patches, 2 bottles of vulcanizing fluid, and 4 pieces of sandpaper, all neatly packaged in a convenient box. Everything you need is right here. The Maifede team is dedicated to your satisfaction. If you have any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. With 24 patches and vulcanizing fluid, it provides a long-lasting, professional-grade repair. If you're looking for a permanent solution to your flat tire problems and don't mind a slightly more involved process, this kit is for you. It's suitable for frequent use and various inflatables. What people say. The patch works well. The patch also lasts a long time. This kit could get you back on the road and out of harm's way. Patches are easy to apply. Number 2. Park Tool TR1 Repair Kit. This is the Park Tool TR1, your essential tire and tube repair kit. It's designed for quick and easy repairs on the go. It includes high-strength tire levers, making removing and installing tires a breeze. These levers are built to last. No messy adhesive is required for repairs. It's a clean and convenient solution for fixing flats. This kit is built to be reliable and durable, ready to tackle any flat tire situation. It's a must-have for any cyclist. The model number is QKTR1C. Remember this number for easy identification and ordering. With this kit, you'll be prepared for any ride, no matter where your adventures take you. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared. What we like. It offers high-strength tire levers and requires no glue, making repairs quick and easy. If you prioritize speed and durability in your repairs and don't mind using tire levers, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a reliable and efficient solution. Number 1. Park Tool VP1 Patch Kit. Repair your bicycle tube quickly and efficiently with this handy kit. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet contains everything you need for a lasting repair. It includes 6 thin, flexible patches designed to seamlessly integrate with your tube. Their tapered edges ensure a smooth, professional finish. The special self-vulcanizing fluid creates a molecular bond with your tube for an incredibly strong and reliable repair. No more worrying about patches falling off. This kit comes with everything you need: patches, self-vulcanizing fluid, sandpaper to prep the tube, and easy-to-follow instructions. The compact plastic case makes it easy to store and carry it with you on every ride. It's the perfect companion for any cyclist. Just follow the simple instructions and you'll have your tube repaired in minutes. Get back on the road quickly and easily. What we like. This kit contains 6 thin, flexible patches and self-vulcanizing fluid for a strong bond. If you appreciate a high-quality, professional repair and prefer a smaller, more focused kit, this is a perfect option. It's ideal for cyclists who want a reliable and effective repair solution. What people say. The kit box is very compact, about the size of a chewing gum package, which I like because you can put it in a bag or even a pocket and take it with you on a trip with a pair of levers, and you don't have to worry about getting your tube punctured. With this kit, a puddle of water and a pocket-sized pump, it is possible to even fix your tube in a few minutes at a road curb. It is very easy to use the kit. Once you determine where your puncture is, remove any object that caused it. If applicable, sand the spot around it with a sandpaper provided, apply the vulcanizing glue evenly around the spot, about the size of a quarter around the hole, let it dry for up to a minute, and place one of the patches, whichever shape fits best, orange side up, and press firmly for a minute or two. In this kit you will find 6 patches of different diameter to fix different kind of leaks, plus a tube of glue and a tiny, but useful sandpaper to make a good and clean job. Everything is packed in a tiny box, easy to transport with you as it fits the external pocket of a camel bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.